Dito kami guys sa... O, diba? Ang ingay. Ngayon na nag-reduce to clear siya, kinuha ko lahat. So,
You got bad taste, babe.
Hoy babe, I didn't say I like it. I'm just asking you. You're so mean.
I don't like it.
Natanggal siya. Buti na lang nagan. Buti lang kami lang dalawa dito. Tinatanggal niya lang yung mga ano. Good morning! Good morning, Mala.
Good morning.
Still morning, yeah? 11:24 pa ng umaga. We're out and about. Pupunta na kami sa shops. We will do some grocery shopping and then later on, pupunta kami kina Mami. We will go for a swim, Mamis. That's why nakaganito na ako, guys. Yung galing Zaffle, yung suot ko, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, punta lang muna kami sa fruit and veg. Bibili ng fruits. Tapos, punta tayong Kohl's maybe to do more shopping. Nanibago ako kasi ngayon lang ako nag-contacts ulit since I got my glasses, yung bago kong glasses. Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-contacts. And ang dami kong tinry kanina, yung iba, hindi na siya komportable. So, ano, tinapon ko na sila. Parang, alam mo yun, parang may konting sand na, ano talaga siya, bothering talaga siya sa mata. So, I went for this one. Gamit ko na to, hindi siya bago. But, hindi ko na maalala kung saan to galing. I think Japan to galing, or Korea, I'm not sure. Pero, yeah, I love that color. Naninibago ako. Kalimutan ko mag-ano eh, mag-sunglass. Nag-contacts ako kasi nga mag-swimming kami. So, it's just me and Dan. Kasi sinaan yung mga bata, punta silang beach. Mainit kasi guys. It's 28 degrees outside. So, it will be nice to go for a swim. How are you, my love? That's good.
Well, it'd just be us. I don't think Mum's home.
Oh, really?
I tried calling her.
Ah. So, she doesn't know. Ito na naman siya. Mag-ano na naman siya ng bahay ng walang kaalam-alam yung mama niya. may key kasi kami sa bahay nila. Pero okay lang naman yun sa kanya. Wala naman yun siyang problema. Akala ko sinabihan na ni Dan. I thought you already told her yesterday.
Yeah, just making sure.
Let's grab bananas, guys. Yung maliit lang muna, eh. Hindi kasi ako kumakain ng banana. Eh, si Dan, kain ka ng banana, kain ka ng banana. What else? Oranges? Yeah. Oh, dito, oh. Alam, ang gaganda ng apple, babe. The apple looks really good, babe.
Grab an apple.
Kaya lang aalis kami. Pupunta kami Renmark sa Friday. Just one apple? Ah, that's really good. We should just come here all the time when we go get fruit. What else? Oranges? Or is that too much? Will that last?
I definitely needed that much oranges. I don't think I got
Okay.
oranges today. I think we're going to red mark for 4 days.
Alright. So 500 and 500? Or does it matter?
Doesn't matter. You do 500 and 500. 500 for half. Oh, that'll do for red mark, I reckon.
That's 300.
That's plenty.
Okay, so I think 500 is a lot.
See how much you can eat this week. That'll be about right. That'll do it at the front.
There's no sticker in here? Okay. Dito kami guys sa... O, diba? Ang ingay. Nililinis lang ni Dan yung car. Mag-haul sana ako ng fruit and veggie. Haul tayo? Try natin. Try natin mag-haul. Nagpunta kami sa Tony and Mark's. Ano talaga siya? Fruit and veg shop talaga siya. And mas, may kaibahan talaga yung fruit and veg ng fruit and veg shop kaysa sa regular na grocery shop. So, mas fresh. Hindi ko na kayo nilagay sa mount. So, medyo tabingi ba kayo? Ewan ko. We got one avocado. I'll eat avocado with ice. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng condensed milk. So, yummers. 3 banana. Maliliit na banana. Gusto ko kasing, alam niyo yun, ibang fruit naman kaysa sa apple. Hindi ako kasi kumakain ng banana, pero itatry ko siya, guys. Potassium, you know? But I saw their apples. It looks really good. So, I got one apple. Konti lang ngayon kasi aalis kami sa Friday. Pupunta kami Renmark. And then, isang orange. Tapos, broccoli. Maliliit na broccoli. Asparagus. Pistachio. So, kapag nagta-travel kami, lagi talaga kaming nagpe-pistachio. So, yung isa sa bahay, pang snack ko. And then, yung isa, pang biyahe. Nakonsensya ako kasi nung nagpunta ako sa Filipino grocery, ang dami kong chips na binili. Hindi ko pa siya kinain. Wala pa akong kinain ni isa. Kasi nga, tinatry ko na yung snack ko. Fruit or fruit. Sasabihin ko sana veg. And then, we saw this. Gustong-gusto to na Dan. So, ito yung stuffed mushrooms. And then, after this, we will go to Kohl's. Bibili lang namin yung mga meat. Meron ba akong lista? Parang meron akong lista. Kailangan ko i-add condensed milk. Huwag natin kalimutan ang condensed milk ha, para sa aking avocado. Tapos na ang paglilinis sa labas. Kailangan nating lumabas kasi mag-vacuum sila ng loob. Sige. Tapos na kami sa Kohl's, guys. And you know what? Stickies, they are back. She gave us... It's supposed to be like one sticky when you reach $30, right?
Yep.
She gave us 5.
Okay.
We spent $120? 36... she gave us 1 extra. Yung isa, inopen na ni Dan. Iba na yung stickies nila ngayon. Nag-level up na. What is it? Aww. A celery? Is it a celery, babe? Yeah. It's a celery. It's a banana.
What is it?
What is it? A brain? I don't know.
It's like a nut, is it?
Is it a nut? Maybe. What kind of nut are you? Next one. What is this? A potato? With... I don't know.
Let's have a look.
It's weird. It's like this. It's so cute. What the heck? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ha! This is a...
Cauliflower.
Ito yung last cauliflower, guys. Yun. Mag-haul tayo saglit, guys. Ito yung mga napamili namin sa Kohl's. I got this kasi naka-sale siya. I think it was like 50% off. So, $6 something na lang siya. Tapos malaki na siya. Concentrated fabric conditioner. And bumili din kami nito. Heavy duty na sponge. Yung sponge na ginagamit namin ngayon is ito. Tapos sabi ni Dan, ayoko nang gumamit niyan kasi hindi na nakakatanggal ng... Gusto niya yung may... Ito talaga ba? Yung may pang-scrub talaga. Rinse Aid finish. Naka 40% off to. So, ito yung pinili ko. Usually kasi yung blue eh. Tapos, parang bago ata siya. Hairspray para kay Danny Boy. Ang kulay ng kanyang beard. Kasi ayaw niya talaga i-shave. Tapos, may mga puti. So, kukulayan niya yan. Hair remover lotion para sa kanyang mga buhok-buhok sa katawan. Ito guys, nag-reduce to clear sila. So, feeling namin hindi na sila magbebenta nito. Yung Marc Anthony na brand ng shampoo at conditioner and konti na lang yung natira. So, lahat ng natira doon kinuha ko kasi mura na lang siya. $4.50 from, I think, $11, $12 to. Buti nilang merong isang shampoo na natira. Yung ginagamit ko na shampoo ngayon kasi bumalik na sa okay na estado yung aking buhok. Yung ginagamit ko na shampoo is kung ano lang shampoo na bibilihin na Dan. Ngayon na nag-reduce to clear siya, kinuha ko lahat. So, merong isang shampoo na natira. And then, 3 grow long na conditioner. Kinuha ko lahat kasi again, $4.50 na lang. And then, ito hindi ko pa siya na-try. But then again, mura lang siya. So, gusto ko siyang i-try. Ito naman yung Dream Big Volume na conditioner. So, sana magustuhan ko to. For volume siya. Itong pangalawang bag natin, we have croissant, salmon, spinach, meron ditong bacon, drumstick, at saka chicken wing, at saka ano ba bang meron kami? Bakit 4? Ano itong isa? Chicken breast fillet, para kay Danny Boy, lunch niya. Mushroom, kasi gagawa ako ng carbonara 1 dinner. Raspberry jam, kasi sila naubusan na nung apricot jam na gustong-gusto niya. Inaano niya yan sa bread. And bumili kami ng isa pang avocado. Bumili kami ng avocado kanina sa fruit and veg. Pero naisipan ko, gumawa nga nung carbonara or yung pasta na may white sauce. And gusto nila lagyan ng avocado yun. So yun. Ginger. So sabi ko pa kanina sa Tony and Mark's, dun sa fruit and veg, sabi ko ang ganda naman ng ginger nila kasi ang first tingnan, hindi ko siya kinuha dun. Dun ako sa Kohl's. So iba yung itsura nung sa Kohl's. Okay lang naman siya tingnan, pero mas maganda yung nasa Tony and Mark's. And then condensed milk. And yung kinuha ko is yung squeeze, hindi yung sa lata, para mas magamit na natin siya ng maraming beses para hindi masayang. Mas mahal siya, but hindi siya nasasayang. Kasi hindi ko naman inuubos yung isang lata talaga kapag nag-avocado ako with condensed milk. So at least yan, magagamit ko siya hanggang sa ma-expire siya, which is April 2021. And then, scotch fillet para sa, ano nila, dinner. We are done. We need to decide kung saan kami magla-lunch. Magla-lunch kami before kami pumunta sa bahay ng mama ni Danny Boy.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore.
Mala, where are we going?
Highline Hotel. For lunch.
We will have lunch, guys. Sa Dan, hinanap niya, naghanap siya ng pub na merong crispy chicken burger. Kasi diba yun lang yung burger na kinakain ko, and kinakain ko siya sa Tower Hotel lang talaga. Sabi ko, maiba naman. Uy, kasi baka masanay ako ba, tapos hindi ko na siya magustuhan, sayang naman. Naghanap si Dan, and nahanap niya. Sa Highlander Hotel, meron din silang crispy chicken burger. Dito na kami sa hotel, guys, or sa pub. And nagpunta si Dan sa salad bar. What did you get?
Just
Cauliflower?
cauliflower, potato.
Potato. And bread. You got bread.
No bread?
No, I'm good. I think the chicken burger will be big. And nandito yung aming lemon bitters. Ang laki ng table natin, ha? Magkahiwalay.
My hamburger's small, actually.
Sorry?
My hamburger's small.
Yours is? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
How do you know that? You've tried it before?
The size of meat.
Ah, okay.
200 grams.
Your salad smells good.
It's good.
That's good. Ang laki ng table natin, babe. Oh, maganda ito yung color, ha? Do you like the table color, babe? Do you like this for the floor?
No way.
No way. Why?
No way. You got bad taste, babe.
Wait, babe, I didn't say I like it. I'm just asking you. You're so mean.
I don't like it. I like light colours.
This is light. So mean.
I'm not mean. I'm not.
Jeez.
You're sensitive.
Dito yung aking chicken burger. Crispy chicken burger. Danny boy? Kinain na niya, guys.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. May chips. Ayan, tingnan nga natin. Iba siya sa ano, dun sa Tower Hotel, but it's still crispy chicken. Oh. That looks good. Asan yung bacon? Parang nasa ilalim ata. Katabi ng cheese. Okay. Okay, try natin to. Ang laki naman ng bread. This is, oh, it's dripping as well, mine. Yeah.
What's that?
It's dripping.
I would have put it down on the water again to make it all soggy, the bread.
Yeah. Cut it. Nah, the tower is better on first bite. Let me try it. Try again. The bread's really saggy now.
Yeah, you put it right in the water. You put it on top of your chips. What do you say? Was it good?
Tower's better.
Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Dito na kami sa bahay ng mama niya, guys. Wala dito yung mama niya, pero nandito si Pete. So, nire-ready niya yung pool para sa amin. Very nice. Meron silang mga prutas dito, guys. Ito hindi sa kanila to. Sa kapitbahay to. Pero, since nandito na, okay na. You can eat this, babe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you even wipe it, Danny? Negara.
No, it's alright.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Wipe it first.
Just gonna get the hair off and the bugs.
Negara. Is it clean?
Yeah.
Really good.
You can take some home if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, let's take some home. That big one, oh.
Yeah, we'll get it later.
Yeah. Oh, there's more there. Dami guys. Oh, sarap ha. Hindi siya matigas. That's really good.
Yeah.
And then meron silang, they have an apple, right?
Yeah.
Meron silang apple guys. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo dyan mamaya. And what's this other one?
I got no idea.
Orange? Ito? Ano ba to? Ano ba yan? And then, asan yung apple? Ayun! Danny, come here! May malaking apple, oh. Green. Oh, wait! What? Oh, ala, may mga tae pala dito. May mga tae pala
What's
dito.
what? That's apple.
The apple. Yeah, let's get some.
No, they're not ripe yet.
Oh, it's not ripe?
No,
No, there's red one. Oh.
No, it's not ripe.
Ay, di ba pala?
No.
Okay. But there's like a lot of big ones there.
Yeah, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Oh well.
Let's show me the pull back.
Pool muna tayo. Meron pala silang trampoline. Bumili sila ng malaking trampoline. Yan. Gustong gusto ng mga bata dyan. It's ready now? Hinihintay ko lang na maging ano yung ano ko. Maging ano yung ano. Sunscreen ba? Gamit-gamit ko yung Sika Hyaluronic Beauty Cosmetics. Ito guys. Check natin kung warm ba. Oh, that's not bad. It's not cold, babe. It's warm. Napakahayahay namin, guys. Prepare pa talaga ni Pete lahat. Nilagay niya dito ng, ano, ang tawag dito, babe? Umbrella.
It's called an umbrella, but hers.
Kasi ano, mainit. Sobrang init. And alam niyo naman yung sun nila dito. Ano, ang bilis kumataan dito. So at least may shade tayo, diba? Oh, may swimwear. Zaffle. And then the bottoms, it's from American Eagle. Ito. Black din siya. Wow! How about you, my love? Outfit of the day?
Came up. Came up special.
Ayaw niya ipakita.
$5 shorts.
Do you feel like you're in a resort or something?
No. I just feel like I'm in a pool at Mum's house.
Aww.
Do you bring another battery? Your battery's gonna go flat.
No, it's alright. I didn't bring a battery, but that's fine.
Ah, ill prepared. Ill prepared.
It's nice.
Those who don't prepare to fail.
Whatever, babe.
That's what I think, yeah.
Kailangan mag-ingat dito sa swimwear na to kasi ang bilis niya matanggal. Kanina nilalagyan ako ni Dan ng ano, ng what do you call that, sunscreen? Natanggal siya. Buti na lang nagan. Buti lang kami lang dalawa dito. Pagkatapos i-prepare ni Pete, pumasok siya. Ayun na dito sa pool. Kami lang ni Dan. Alam niyo, marunong naman ako lumangoy. Hindi lang ako confident. Kuha kami grapes, guys. Just one big one will do. Yeah. Good job, my love. Nice. Okay.
You want to sort out what's what or not really?
Oh, we can. Yeah. Tinatanggal niya lang yung mga ano, may mga sira eh. Thank you. Guys, bahay na pala kami. Sobrang kanina ba si Dan nakapagtrabaho na sa labas. Hindi ako tumulong kasi ang init. Pero kanina, after namin sa bahay ng mama niya, nagpunta kami ng Bunnings. Bumili kami nung paving sand para lagay dito sa, yan sa, ano, linya ng pavers. Pavers ba tawag dyan? Dun sa, ano naman, sa labas. So, yun yung ginawa niya dun sa kabilang labas, dun sa driveway. Yun yung ginawa niya. Ano lang siya, ilalagay mo lang siya dun sa, parang grout ba? Hindi siya grout, pero dun sa kung saan mo ilalagay yung grout ng tiles. Tapos babasain mo siya, tapos titigas siya. So, yun yung ginawa ni Dan. Magluto ako ng dinner kasi gabi na. What do you want me to cook dinner? No. Nothing for you?
Yeah.
I'll cook chorizo for myself. Oh, how about that? Do you want me to bake that?
You want one each?
No. I'll eat rice and chorizo.
I don't know.
You don't want that tonight? Okay.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Kain tayo guys. Ito yung chorizo. Dalawa lang yung inano ko, niluto ko. Tapos kinat ko siya in half. Bali, nilagay ko muna siya. Niluto ko muna siya sa tubig para maluto talaga siya. Tapos nung ubos na yung tubig, nilagyan ko ng konting oil. Tapos yan. Kinat ko din siya in half. Dalawa lang yung niluto ko. Konti lang kasi last time tatlo hindi ko naubos. And then I have here vinegar na may chili flakes, tsaka toyo mansi na merong lemon, squeeze ng lemon ng konti, and chili flakes. And I'm watching Married at First Sight. Kain tayo. Tingnan nyo ginawa ni Dan sa nails ko, guys. Pinasok ko siya sa acetone kasi gel nails to, diba? Tapos ang hirap niya talaga tanggalin. Ayokong mag-work sa acetone kasi baka matanggal yung layer ng ano ko, ng kamay ko. So, siya yung gumawa. Wala nga kaming na diba, foil. Hindi na kami bumili ng foil. So, sabi ko sa kanya, gamitan mo ng tape. So, ayan, tinape niya. And tinape niya ganyan para hindi matanggal. Kasi hindi talaga natatanggal basta-basta yung gel nails. Feeling ko meron namang acetone for gel nails, pero wala kaming ganun eh. Yan yung sitwasyon ng aking paa. Kasi gusto ko napulutan yung kulay. Sobrang na kasi niya. Tagal na niya dyan. Before Philippines pa yung kulay na yan. I'm still watching Married at First Sight pero naka-mute for now. Okay, anong mask yung gagamitin natin ngayon? Gusto ko tong itry. Ngayon ko na nga lang to itry. Ito yung nagbabubble eh. Deep Purifying Black Oxygen Bubble Mask. Charcoal. Galing siya Pure Derm. But, ito na yung itsura ng bubble mask. For some reason, itong area na to, sobrang bubble niya. Pero dito, lang siya. Subtle lang siya. Di siya ganun cloud. But this one is like, wow! Ayan, kakarating lang ni Dan. Tapos lang maligo. Mahabdi talaga yung mukha ko. Meron talagang something sa ginagamit ko. Bago din kasi yung moisturizer na ginagamit ko kasi ubos na yung clears ko. Tapos, gumamit ako ng hyaluronic. I will look it up tonight actually kung ano yung nagpapaano. Yung napansin ko is yung dito, at saka dito na area. Mahapdi siya, nafe-feel ko talaga siya. Pero wala akong breakouts, wala. Mahapdi lang talaga siya. So, it must be something sa mga ginagamit ko na bago. Anyway, yun na yung vlog natin today. I hope guys nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye.